we'll guide you through how to make Polaroid effect in Lightroom. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Lightroom on your PC to begin editing the photo. Once Lightroom is launched, import the photo you want to edit into the application. After the photo has been imported successfully, select the image from the library module to prepare it for editing. Next, click the Develop module to access the editing workspace and adjustment tools. When the Develop module opens, locate and open the Basic panel to begin making the primary image adjustments. Increase the exposure slightly to brighten the overall image while maintaining a balanced appearance. After adjusting the exposure, reduce the contrast slightly to soften the difference between the bright and dark areas of the photo. Next, increase the temperature to give the image a warmer tone and create a softer, more natural look. Adjust the temperature gradually until the warmth matches your preferred editing style. Once the basic adjustments are complete, open the Tone Curve panel to refine the tonal range of the image. Lift the black point slightly by raising the lower end of the tone curve to create a subtle faded effect and soften the darkest tones in the photo. After adjusting the tone curve, open the Effects panel to add the finishing details. Increase the grain amount slightly to introduce a light film texture and give the photo a more classic photographic appearance. Adjust the grain level until it enhances the image without becoming too noticeable. After completing the editing adjustments, click the Print module to access the layout and printing options. Inside the Print module, adjust the layout settings to create a white border around the image. Modify the margins and cell size until the border has the desired width and the photo is positioned correctly within the layout.